Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Week video. My name's Aaron Uppel, as you all know, and I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy. Now, in regards to today's video, we're going to be taking you through some short-term trades which have triggered in for this week and come to fruition. We've had 4 trades in total, 3 of them on the Euro this week, so I want to show you those because it was a really fantastic entry that we kept taking on the Euro this week for some intraday entries, and it's one that we did announce to our clients every single day with our important trading zone strategy and major cap strategy. So it's one that I'll show you through the algorithm, and if you've watched any of these videos by now, you'll know a little bit about how it works. Firstly, before I show you that, I'm going to take you to the members area, which is the area where we provide analysis to our clients. This particular analysis will provide you with technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading opportunities on a daily basis. Okay. Then what we do with these particular levels and opportunities that we provide is we match them up to what is called our platinum algorithm. So as we scroll on down the page, you can see we've got different types of analysis, different currency pairs, longer term, daily updates, fundamental views, so that way it gives you a really good understanding of what you should be doing for each individual currency pair. Then in addition to this, we've then got our algorithm. So let me bring the algorithm across so you get an understanding of what the algorithm looks like. Now firstly I want to show you the 3 entries on Euro. Okay. So as you can see, and you would know if you've watched any of the previous videos, we have buy and sell zones on these particular algorithms. So you can see it's got a set of buy zones and a set of sell zones for today. What we do with these sell zones is we label the ones that we believe should have the most high probable rate of reversing. So for example, you can see this week we've labelled one line in particular, and that one line in particular is around the 1400 level. Okay, we believe this to be a very strong level in the market, and that's why we continuously labelled that particular those zones for the whole week. You can see that yes, Monday it did not trigger in because the market didn't get there, but Tuesday it did, Wednesday it did, and Thursday it did. Now all of the days that it got there, it reversed. And last but not least, it reversed. Now the stop losses and take profits that we use. So with the algorithm, we take a 20 pip stop loss from the end of the zone. So always take it from the end of the zone, your 20 pip stop, no matter where you enter in. So if you enter at the start, you still take your 20 pip stop from the end. So you can see with a 20 pip stop from the end of the zone, nowhere near any of the stop losses. And your reversals, we go for at least a minimum of 25 pips on the reversals, as it's just an intraday trade. You can see each one of those came to fruition. 75 pips on Euro this week, just from 3 simple intraday trades that you could have placed orders at the start of the day, because all these levels are provided at the start of the day. Okay. Once they're provided to you, there's no changing the levels or anything like that. Just place your orders and off you go. The 4th level that we had trigger in was the NZD USD. That was just literally yesterday. You can see again, same major cap we provided for the whole week. Okay, was 6,800. You can see in the end, it's come down to 6,800, and it's easily reversed for the pips in the end. Okay, so it's come down to 6,800. It's reversed exactly what we're looking for, and it's gone and hit target. So if we're taking a look at the number of pips produced just from 4 simple intraday trades, you're talking about 100 pips from 4 intraday trades in this week. That's all you're really looking for in a week's work, 100 pips. You know, you're doing that in a week, every single week. You're laughing. You're making huge amounts of profit. So, in regards to these intraday trades, you just set your orders and off you go. What we're looking to do is we're looking to provide you access to this completely for free on a consultation call where we'll take you through the algorithm, take you through the system, and take you through how our one-to-one mentoring is structured. So to give you an idea of whether this would be something that could fit around yourself and your own lifestyle. In order to do that, you go to our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com. You can either leave your details on the home page here, name, email, phone, book consultation, or you can click in the top right hand corner of the page, free consultation, and you can leave your details in here. Either one, it's the same thing. So I just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. Really appreciate that. Obviously don't forget to like and subscribe to the video to keep up to date with more of our weekly videos. But otherwise we look forward to speaking to you all next week. Hope you have a wonderful weekend.